Welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to show you exactly how to activate Badoo Premium for free, using a simple built-in trick. Let's dive right in. First, open the Badoo app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it. From the settings menu, select the account section. Now, tap on delete account at the bottom of the screen. Don't worry, we are not actually going to delete your profile. Badoo will ask why you are leaving. Select a reason, such as I met someone elsewhere, and tap continue. Here is where the trick happens. Because Badoo wants to keep you on the platform, they will interrupt the deletion process and offer you a free Badoo Premium plan, usually lasting anywhere from 3 to 7 days, depending on your region and account age. Simply click on the button to accept the free premium offer, and that's it. Your Badoo Premium is now fully activated, unlocking advanced matching features and filters without spending any money. Keep in mind that this method works best for newer accounts or users who haven't claimed a trial recently. If this quick tip helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.